What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. It's another late night here in the garage. Today, guys, as you can probably already tell by the title of this video, we're gonna attempt to cut these fenders up, these perfectly good fenders, and make some vents. I'm excited, but I'm nervous. I've done it once before in the past for a customer, and they actually turned out really good. So this is most likely going to be a several day process. I'll do it, babe. Hang on. Anyways, guys, so that's the plan for today. But first things first, I'm gonna get my workbench all cleaned off, and then Shane over here came through and got us a shop TV. So we're gonna go ahead and get this hooked up, get the Fire Stick plugged in, and we're gonna be watching. Dude, put some of my videos on there while I'm making a video. Bruh, so sick. Anyways, guys, if you guys aren't already subscribed, make sure you smash that big red subscribe button, because today's video is going to be pretty lit.
Yeah. Unknown brain. Marvin Divine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous. I know that I gotta stay.
There it is. Okay. Football? Guys, off of her car, that's me, and making it fit on mine. Yo, this is sick. Oh, yeah, dude. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Sick, guys. So we got that hooked up. So that's pretty dope. So now when I'm in here hanging out, I can actually listen to some music and whatnot. Actually, we're gonna have to buy another Fire Stick now for this TV. But now on to the fenders. So I want to do something pretty, you know, aggressive yet sort of simple at the same time. So I'm thinking about coming from like this, like that, down, and then bada boom, bada bam, something like that. And then I'm gonna go buy metal tomorrow. We'll fold this in and pretty much build the plates for there and the plates right there, and we should be good. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my pinstriping tape and kind of try to come up with the outline that I want.
Yeah. Unknown brain. Marvin Divine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous. I know that I gotta stay away from all your games.
He's nervous.
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you smiling, see you looking down and out. Coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music, I'm saying.
I know that I
Shit's about to get real, Donna.
It's gonna be funky. I have to grind down or do you think I should just cut it and then hold it in the back, grind it? You know what I mean? For metal, it's a weld. So weld it.
You can always push it out if anything. Fucking all in now.
One down. Look at that paint just coming right. Both sides are officially cut. So pretty much now I just gotta clean up the edges, get ready for welding, and then we have a fan. Holy shit, this was a spontaneous thing. Comment down below though, let me know what you guys think so far. Hey guys, it's another day. We have me up on the TV. I went ahead and already made these bottom brackets or mounts that are gonna go pretty much right down in there. And we're gonna have it pretty much about that much. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the grinder, grind all this down, grind this down, get it ready for welding, and then at least be able to get the bottom on both sides welded, and then tomorrow we can come in, or maybe later today, weld the tops, and then we'll figure out what we're gonna do for the center. guys, we got one tack there and one right there. So now I'm gonna probably throw in a couple more little ones, but at least it's held in place. And then we'll go ahead and push this back to where we need it, and then pretty much weld that up, and the bottom is done. Guys, so there it pretty much is. I just have a piece of tape up here, but I'm gonna keep it like this, how it kind of like bows a little bit. That way it still looks factory, but it goes from this size a little smaller, and it'll go back up to this size. So an idea, check that out. That looks good. Guys, one fender is officially basically done. So now what I'm gonna do is, this has a little edge I left. Actually, I might throw in a couple more tacks, we'll see. But I left an edge so I could weld better. I just need to grind that off, and then grind some down here as well, and then pretty much start body working it, and then decide if I'm gonna make that centerpiece. But after looking at it, I actually really like how that looks right there, to be honest. But we'll see. Alright guys, so I went ahead and got some Bondo down. It's looking really good. Right there and right there. I'm not really, honestly, call me lazy, but I'm not too concerned of it under, because you're not going to see it, but I'll do the best I can. But it's looking really good. Again, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. So I think what I'm going to do is the other fender off camera, just because you pretty much saw it right here. So I'm going to come out tomorrow, weld and everything that side up, start body working that side, and then when we come back to this side, as far as like sanding and body work, pretty much, that's what I'm going to go ahead and film as all the way up to, I think, hopefully first stages of primer. And then same thing as the wing, I'll keep you guys updated, or keep you guys updated on the fender as we kind of make videos. But for the most part, it's pretty much just body work now. Welds and everything are strong. I was you know, hitting it and everything, and they're solid. I don't think I'm gonna make that centerpiece, which would be like that, which would look really good. It's just a lot more work that I don't really want to do, and I think that looks really good. And it's, again, it's about an inch, and I kind of like how it kind of goes from an inch to a little narrow back to an inch. I think that looks really neat. Alright, so for some reason my car is actually dead, so I'm pretty screwed. My other car is also dead, so I cannot jump start this one. So today, pretty much, we're just focusing on this fender. The other fender does have some body work on it as well, but we're not going to be able to finish that today. So that looks like it's probably going to have to be tomorrow or sometime this week. So today, pretty much, I guess we're just focusing on this one.
From here, out of this compressor housing, into the intake of this one right here. So that's going to help that one spool up. And then aside from that...
Alright guys, so I think that's pretty much all I can go ahead and do for the day. Got it pretty smooth. I mean, like, it's butter. But I can't really find all imperfections yet until we get this whole thing primered. Right here, obviously, it's going to need a little bit of work, but it's almost there. This is smooth. Still have to do this section, like I said. And the good thing is, I was actually able to work on this side as well. Just barely enough space. But as you can see, this is pretty smooth too. It is going to need another pass, and then in here we have to get sanded still a little bit. But for the most part, it's pretty good. This is good, and then again in here, we need to get sanded as well. But I think that's where I'm going to go ahead and leave this video off. Make sure to comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I'm honestly pleased with it. It's not hard. It's just very, very tedious. So if you guys do plan on doing this, hopefully this video sort of helps you out. I used 22 gauge for the plates that I welded in, and then I just went ahead and did just a couple tacks, no bead. In the past, I've made fenders before for a customer, and I beaded it and it burnt through, and then that's when I kind of learned as I go and just did a few tacks throughout the whole thing, and they're very strong, and then pretty much body worked it. So I'm pleased, I'm happy. Hopefully you guys like them as well. I think it looks very good and aggressive. I'm so stoked. I knew I was wanting to do this, I just didn't know if it was actually gonna happen or not. But make sure to comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys like them, please make sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. I'll keep you guys posted on them. Like I said, my car's dead, so I can't go and get any primer. And unfortunately, yeah, I don't have any, so that kind of sucks. But I will definitely keep you guys updated. I'm not really too sure what the next video is going to be on yet, but make sure to stay tuned for it. You can hit the bell notification so you guys are notified every time I drop a video. We just hit 2,200 subscribers. Thank you all so very much. Let's keep growing. I hope to catch you all in the next one. And until next time, guys, as always, peace out.